About the question, it depends on the t-test, and here the question is from the textbook chapter 9.3, the homework Q9. Let's check it. Q9. Scroll to the bottom. Q9. The answer is here. A vitamin K shot is given to infants soon after birth, something like this. And how to calculate that? Is there enough evidence to show that infants cry the less on average when they are held by their mother if they are held using conventional methods? Like this one, okay. Select a range and copy. Okay, the first one, using conventional method, using new method, copy. Conventional. And the second one is new method. Okay, and now the question is, first one, please fill those, first one, and the second one, the mean, 2 decimals, and standard deviation. Standard deviation, here just a reminder, the denominator is n-1, and get the answer here. And the degree of freedom, p-value, and is it if the evidence is strong enough to say new way is better, Okay, let's check how to do this. We can use the same website, enter or paste up to 2,000 rows, unpair the t-test. The first one, conventional method, copy and paste. Then the second one, copy and paste. Okay, and click calculate now. You must enter 2 or more values in each group. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think I have trouble here. This one only accept the linear. Okay, let me try it again. Oh, okay. I need to change it different way. Okay. I need to line up. Okay, I finished. Copy. Okay, I finished. Okay, and I got the answer here. Got the answer here. Okay, the first one. Let's check the exam paper. Table 9.3.11 n is 30. The mean is 35.30, and standard deviation, the first one, group 1, that standard deviation, that is 20.77. Group 2, and 30 means 35.13. Standard deviation 22.30. Okay, and how about degree of freedom? Degree of freedom, that will be 58. How about p-value? The p-value is here, 0.97, very close to 1. It's weird, very weird. Okay, and actually it's not a statistical differences. In other words, you cannot tell the difference from the traditional way and the new way. Okay, let me stop here for 1 minute. Then you can take a note. Then we will move to the question number 5. Okay, let's move to next. Question number 5. Question number independent t-test. No, sorry, it's not. It's a range test. Sorry, it's a range test. I forgot to modify this one. The interval test and textbook 8.3, exercise 8.3.1. Question number 7. Sorry, question number 2. Many people feel that cereal is healthier alternative for children over glazed donut. An example at point 3.5 contains the amount of sugar in the same cereal that is geared toward children. Healthy breakfast story. Okay. Estimate the mean amount of sugar in children's cereal using 95 confidence interval. Let's check this question. Question number 2. Or question number 2 here. Yeah, many people feel that cereal is healthier alternative for this one. So we have those two. That's question number 5. Let's check it. Like this one. And you can copy and paste the information like this one. Copy and paste to our Google spreadsheet, and you can line up. I cut in a paste to here. Okay. For the question, please calculate the sugar amount in 95% confidence interval. What does it mean? Because we can observe the data here. The sugar can be 10 grams, 14 grams, 12 grams, 9 grams, like this one. And it can be a variable number. And now we try to find the confidence interval. We can find, we have 95 confidence interval that the children's cereal sold in the market can be ranged from this one. And how to do this? Let me show you here. Oh, a minute, please. I forgot the website. Let me. We can use this one, confidence interval calculator. Okay, and now we know that there are, for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 by 3, 21, 29 minus 2. There are 19 samples, 19. I can type 1, sample size 9. Okay, and the second question, how about sample mean? We can use this. I transferred those information into this one. The sample mean is 11.15. You can type it as 11.16. Okay, 16. 11 point, like this one. Okay, and thus we need information about standard deviation, sigma or s. Standard deviation, I got the answer. That is here, 2.94888, something like this. Okay, after we have information, the sample number 9, the sample mean 11.1578, standard deviation 2.94, and confidence interval 95%. Yes, and let's check the question. And the 95 confidence interval, and click calculate. At the calculation, we got the answer here. The answer is the average plus and minus, and we got the answer 9.832, between that and 12.484. The answer is here. Is it okay for everyone? Sure, if you have time, you can use you can calculate by yourself, like this one, right? You can use the formula here, and you will get the range. Okay, 1 minute, then we will move to the question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Sorry, question number 6. Please plot, and we use the question number 3. Question number 3. The answer is here. We can copy the original information here, and by observing something very strange, because someone rearranged the data from small to big. Someone sorted the data. Under this situation, we don't need to do that. Just select the range and insert. Okay, let me do that again. Select the range, including the title. Insert. Chart. Select. Scatter chart, not the others. Scatter chart, and click Customize. Series. Trend line. Show a square. And the most difficult part is here. Label, customer, use equation, and done. The answer is here. The chart is here, look like this. And R square equal to 0.867. The equation minus 741 times x plus 84.9. Any question? Okay, I think today is the last week of the semester, and I wish everybody have a good summer. And I think we can stop here. We can stop here. If you're interested to learn more about the one way ANOVA or chi-square, let me know. I can record videos for you. Okay, and question? Did I miscalculate your score? No? Okay, and see you in September. Okay? Thank you for your attention, and I hope everybody have a nice. I'm always on the line, and the night group is permanent. If you want to find me, please let me know. Okay, see you next week, next semester.